Good afternoon. This is Mr. Johnson. I just wanted to welcome you to Marketing 1 here at the beginning of second trimester. The reason for this video is I just wanted to create this video to welcome you to class and to kind of get you started. Those students that are not in class due to vacation, quarantine, or any other reason. And so I'm sending you an email with this video and some other information to kind of get you started in class. The first thing that I kind of want to go over is our Canvas course. I've created another video that will go into a little bit more detail, but this is just our Canvas course of what it kind of looks like. This is the home page when you log in. The biggest thing that you'll look at or that you will be clicking on each day as you get into Canvas is course modules. So as you click on that, this is what your course modules should look like at the time. It's not much there, just because it's the beginning of the trimester. But the biggest thing is welcome to class, our course disclosure, little thing to get to know me. But the next biggest thing that I want you guys to be aware of, because a lot of you are quarantined and this video is meant for you, is just this section right here. Each week in Canvas, under this section titled Weekly/Quarantine Schedule, I will be posting the current week and following weeks for the entire trimester. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see what we did in class. So as you can see, Monday, teacher prep day. No one came to school except for us teachers. And then today, Tuesday, November 17th. Under each day, it has what we did in class. As you can see, Thursday and Friday have nothing. Even though they have nothing, we're still going to do something. I just don't update this until the morning of or a day before. So just keep that in mind, as it doesn't get updated until the day of or the day before. And so it will still be on there, and it's still the expectation that you check it every single day. So today in class, we reviewed our class disclosure and syllabus. And so under the day, you'll have those things that we did. A lot of the times, they'll be blue and underlined, and that means that there is a link connected with it. So if you click on Reviewed Class Disclosure and Syllabus, it says that, which is not correct. I'll go ahead and fix that. But it's just in Canvas. If you click on Home, Course Modules, Disclosure/Syllabus, and it's just reviewing the syllabus. This is the syllabus, a link to it, and then submitting it. So that's all you're going to do for that part. And so we will go back to today's schedule. The next thing that we did is we did a Canvas overview. So we kind of looked at Canvas in depth. So I want you guys to look at that. And it's just another video of me. Congratulations. So you get to watch that video of me explaining Canvas. The next thing that we did today is we did an intro to class and get to know Mr. Johnson. And this is just a PowerPoint presentation that if you click on it, it kind of shows you, it kind of goes over a little bit about me, my family, some of the things I like to do, my education background, and then some of the places that I've worked and jobs that I have had that kind of give me the qualifications to teach marketing. And then just what we did today in class is we came up with our own definition of what marketing is, its purpose, why it's done, and how it's done. And that's kind of what we'll talk about the first thing tomorrow. And so that's what we did in class. So the expectation is that every day, if you are not in class because you're quarantined, sick, or on vacation, is that you're still expected to learn the things that we did in class. And the best way to do that is in Canvas under Modules, looking at the weekly quarantine schedule, clicking on the current week or the week that you're missing, and seeing what we did in class. The other thing that I want you guys to be really aware of is as you do this, if you are quarantined, the biggest thing that you need to make sure that you're aware of is if you ever have any questions. If you click on that and you're confused or something's not working, because I'm human, I make mistakes, is to make sure that you email me. And you can email me through Canvas just by clicking on inbox or just emailing me at joseph.johnson@ccsdut.org. and I will respond within 24 hours to help resolve your issue and help you make sure that you stay caught up in this class. I just want to say thank you, and that I'm excited to have you in class and excited to kind of explore marketing with you. Thank you so much.